Okay, so let us begin with that second problem. A truss shown in figure determine the nodal displacement, reactions, and at the supports and stresses in the each element. Take Young's model is 200 GPa, and this is the figure they given. Area also they given A1, A2. They already divided the elements because 2 bar means 2 elements. So therefore A1 area is 1200, A2 is different 1000 mm square. And the corresponding dimensions also given here from here to here 750. This is 500. And here they apply the load 50 kilonewton downward. And you have to calculate first question nodal displacement, second question reaction, third question stress. So all these three things you have to calculate. All of you copy the question and copy the figure. And as I told here, FEM model figure is very important. You should write neatly. No freehand sketch is allowed. And you should write neatly and that to visibilities. So don't write show down. Okay, you should be broader way. You have to write the figure and that should be visible to very properly. And you have to corresponding coordinates, nodal values, everything you have to write properly. Indicate element number, node number, everything. Have seen the notes which is uploaded 1D bar notes. I have seen.
Yes, sir.
There are two notes I uploaded. One is my handwritten notes. One more is numerical problems with respect to some textbook. You go through it, more problems in that textbook. What is the additional problem extra that also there? I think it will be helpful for you to solve the assignment. You can go through it. Some of the problems are already solved. That also you can go through it. But don't simply copy. If problems already me also solved in the class, you have to do it yourself and I verify the answers. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any over figure over figure over. First figure is over.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
First step. Write down first step. First step is FEM model. So again rewrite the same. Don't write here itself. You have to rewrite. You have to rewrite once again the figure. So let's mark the how many elements you have to divide it. How many elements? So therefore we are dividing into two. Same thing. And here node 1, node 2, node 3. There are three nodes. So three nodes means how many degree of freedom will be there totally? Three node means how many degree of freedom?
Yes.
6. Each node 2. Therefore it become 3 to the 6. Therefore here at node 1 you have to show Q1, Q2. Similarly nodal force are F1, F2. At node 2 Q3, Q4. See, always when you're starting the numbers, no, first with respect to x-axis Q1, next with respect to y-axis Q2. At node 2, similarly with respect to x-axis Q3, with respect to y-axis Q4, and with respect to year Q5, year 6. Similarly, year F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6. So here, what is it again? Coordinate. So observe here, all of you. Here x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. What is x1 now? Always, as I said, how to calculate the coordinates. Take always leftmost bottom corner as the 0, 0, 0, comma 0. So therefore, here what is x1 become now? At node 1 at the origin only. Therefore, what is the x1 become?
0, sir.
0, y1 also 0 because it at the origin. Similarly comes here. What is x2? x2 is from the origin. What is the distance here? What is the distance here?
750.
750. 750. Y2 how much? Y2 how much?
500.
From the origin, what is the distance with respect to y? 500. Therefore, 750 minus
500.
750 comma, not minus. 750 comma how much? 500.
500.
Next. Similarly, at node 3. So, what is x3? It is exactly at the origin. Therefore, x3 become how much now?
0.
0. Y3? What is the from the origin? What is the distance?
500.
500. 0 comma 500. And here, the here itself we can write F1 is what? Any forces acting here? Any force acting here? No, 0. F2 also 0. F3 is acting. Any F3 force is given here? No. F4. F4 is acting. But what is the direction it's acting? Therefore, downward force what we taken as minus 15 into 10 raised to 3 Newton. Similarly, F5 also 0. F6 also 0 because here there is no loads. Here. Therefore, F6 and F5 are 0. Here also 0. Got it? All of you understood this first figure? FA model figure? Very important. Okay. Same figure only here also. I think, you know. Understood all of you coordinates?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the next step? What is the next step?
Not done.
Node data or
Not
node.
done.
Okay. So now how many nodes? No, that is node 1, node 2, node 3. And x corresponding xy coordinate. At node 1, what is the coordinates here? What is the coordinates? X0, Y0. At
Zero.
node 2, X2,
750.
750, 500. Node 3, 0, 500. Hmm. Or, hello, node data over.
Yes, sir.
All of you
Sure.
done? Okay. What is
Yes, sir.
next step? What is next step?
Element stiffness. Element.
It's not element stiffness matrix. Element connectivity table here. Not to calculate the stiffness matrix, you should know LM, no. That's what. Element connectivity table. First element number, initial node, final node, length of the element, L, M. Direction of cosines. So let me take first element. What is the initial node here? What is the initial node for element 1? Initial node is what? This is element 1. What is the initial node here? Hello? What is the initial node here for element 1? You have to start begin with here, no? See, in order wise, in order wise you go. See, in this direction. First node is the initial node, and 2 is the final node. Therefore, initial node is 1, final node is 2. Therefore, we need to calculate the length of the element. What is the formula? What is the formula for LE? For element 1? Final node
Root of
root
x2
of,
minus x1 square
that is,
plus y2 minus y1 square.
yeah, that is in general how to say final node minus initial node with respect to the x plus with respect to the y. Final node is what? X2. Initial node is 1. Therefore, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. What is x2? You have to refer this table. What is x2 now? What is x2? 750.
750.
What is x1? What is x1?
0.
0. Similarly, what is y2?
500.
What is y1?
0.
0. So you calculate how much you'll get, LE.
So root 2 901.38.
Okay. So same thing, you substitute in the table now. 90139 in terms of mm. Now direction of cosine. L. X final node minus x initial node divided by LE. That is this one only. I told. Blind you can write x2 minus x1 divided by LE. x2 minus x1 means here only it is values there. 750 minus 0 divided by LE is 901.39. Therefore LE got how much? 0.8. Correct now? Hello?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Similarly M. M is y final load minus y initial node. Final load means y2 and initial node is y1. Samely y2 minus y1 divided by LE. y2 minus y1 nothing but 500 minus 0 divided by LE. L is LE1 actually. Write LE1 here. All of you write this is LE1. Therefore, this here also LE1, here also LE1. All of you write it. Therefore, LE1 is nothing but 901.39. That you substitute. All of you got M is 0.5. Check out. 0.5. Check out. Hello.
Yes, sir. 0.5.
Okay.
0.5.
Okay, we substituted here. Then, so substitute in all the LM value in the first row. Now for the element 2. Element 2. What is the initial node? Element 2. You should go in the order sequence. So this is the initial node, final node over. For element 2, what is the initial node? What is the initial node?
2.
2. After that,
X2, sir.
after the final node, which
3,
is
sir. 3.
yes. Initial node is 2, final node is 3. Therefore, your length of the element become final node, x final node, that is x3 minus x2 whole square plus y3 minus y2 whole square root. So x3 how much? x3 how much? x3 how much? 0. x2 750. Similarly, y3 how much? 500. y3 y2 also 500. Correct now? Therefore, LE2 become how much?
Yes.
Check out. LE2 check out.
750.
Huh? 750.
750.
Yes. LE2 become LE2. Don't write LE. LE2 you write. E also no problem because we substitute in that here. 150. Similarly, direction of cosines. L is equal to x3 minus x2 divided by LE2 M equal to y3 minus y2 divided by Le2. So what is x3 minus x2 here itself? You can write 0 minus 750. Y3 minus y2 means 500 minus 500. So therefore Le, how much you'll get? Sorry, not Le, L. Direction of cosine.
L minus 1, M 0.
Yes. L minus 1, M 0. Correct. Here they written actually plus 1. Wrong. Here correctly they written minus 1, here 0. All of you got L is minus 1, M is 0. All of you got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Over? Over.
Yes, sir.
Next step. What is the next step?
Elements to chess matters.
Yes. K1. The formula is K1 is A1 E1 by L1 L square ML minus L square minus ML like this. This is the formula. You know what is A1? What is E1? What is L? M. LM is how much now? You have to refer here. L is for the element 1 0.832. M is 0.55. So they are directly written means they multiplied already. L means how much we got 0.832 whole square you will get as 0.692. Similarly, M is how much? 0.55. You have to substitute. They directly written, but you have to substitute and show. A1 is 1200. E1 they given 2 into 10 raised to 5, and this is 901.3. Therefore, if you how much you will get this 1200 into 2 into 10 raised to 5 divided by 901.3. How much you will get? How much you will get?
So 266.12 into 10 power 3.
Or nothing but 2.66 into 10 raised to 5. Correct now?
Yes, sir.
266 into 10 raised to 3 means again it the value is more. Make it as 2.6 into 10 raised to 5 or 0.2 into 10 raised to 6. Okay, it makes easy. Correct now? As much as possible, we need to increase the 10 power value. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So now if you multiply by L and M value substitute and you will get like this. All of you got same thing, you check. I told only half you do it, rest of the half are blindly you can write because that is symmetry. Correct now? So,
Sir. Sir. Yes, sir.
so here this of is same thing as this of. Make it fast. So once you got here 2.66 into 10 raised to 5, what you have to do it? 10 power 5 you have to keep outside, and remaining what you have to multiply by inside? What you have to multiply by inside?
2.66.
2.66. Therefore 0.692 into 2.66 will get 1.84. 0.462 into 2.6 will get 1.22. Therefore everywhere for each element you multiply 2.66. All of you understood K1?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Again,
Sir.
numbering is very important. Element 1 belongs to what are the node numbers? Sorry, what are the this one? No, nodal displacement. What are the nodal displacement? Element 1. Element 1, it belongs to two node, 1 and 2. In each node, what are the nodal displacements here? Q1, Q2. Here Q3, Q4. Therefore, that number you have to write it here. Row number and column number. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 belongs to node 1. 3, 4 belongs to node 2. Please, all of you write as it is. Understood?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Similarly, you yourself calculate K2 is A2 E2 by L2 into L square M square, that is. So, you know M is 0. Therefore, that is become very easy. Where and all M term is there, that is become 0. Directly you can write. Here 0, here 0, here 0, 0, 0, 0. Here last row full becomes 0. So therefore you can easy to calculate. Again A2 E2 by L2, how much you become, check out. All of you do K2. E2 E2 by L2, how much?
Yes, sir. 2.68.
ಹೌದಾ? A2 value change, no? A2 how much?
1000.
1000. E2 2 into 10 to 5. L2 how much?
750.
So we'll get the same. Yes.
Yes, sir.
2.6 into 10 raised to 5. Therefore 2.8 10 raised to 5 keep inside. So keep outside, 2.6 and multiply inside. Therefore here 2.67 minus 2.67 minus 2.67 plus 2.67. Rest of the terms are 0. All of you got K2 as like this. All of you got K2 as like this.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
what is the number? Can anyone tell me? What is the number, node number here? Row number and column numbers for element 2. Numbers, can anyone tell me?
3, 4, 5, 6, sir.
3, here node 2, node 3, element 2 belongs to. At node 2, Q3, Q4, Q5, Q6. Therefore
3, 4, 5, 6.
3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. A 3, 4 belongs to node 2, 5, 6 belongs to node 3. Clear?
Sir. Sir.
What is the next step?
Stiffness matrix. Both.
Global stiffness matrix. That is K is equal to K1 plus K2. I told you, you can use that shortcut. What you have to write? First write the first matrix. First all of you write the first matrix as it is. Totally what is the size of the matrix become now? What is the size of the matrix?
6 cross 6, sir.
Why 6 means total 6 degree of freedom. Therefore 6 cross 6. So see, first matrix K1 matrix you write as it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to here it is K1 matrix. Correct now? Hello?
Sir.
K1 matrix as it is you write 1.84, 1.22, minus 1.8, minus 1.22, 1.22, 0.81, minus 1.22, minus 0.816, minus 1.84, minus 1.22, plus 1.84, and finally 1.22. This is the first matrix, isn't it? That is this matrix, K1. Where is K1? Yes, K1, this one. Correct now? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, up to here. Sorry. Up to here. Up to here it is K1 matrix. Correct now? Hello?
Yes, sir.
All of you substitute K1 matrix value. Directly, blindly you can write K1 matrix as it is. Written.
Sir.
Next, what is the K2 matrix? Start from 3, 4, 5, 6. See here, very important. Where is 3, 4? Here 3, 4. Therefore, 3, 4, 5, 6 means here the diagonal terms are going to add here. This is the K2 matrix. So therefore, here, what is the value? 1.84 in the previous matrix plus here also 2.67 and here 0. 1.22 plus 0. Next here 1.22 plus 0 and here fourth one 0.816 plus 0 and remaining thing as it is. Otherwise it is confused means you can add it as I told 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6 1 1 2 2 2 3 2 like that. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts in the global stiffness matrix? Any doubts in the global stiffness matrix?
No, sir.
So all of you write this one. Outside what is there? I think outside they are not written. What is the value of outside in the matrix? What is the value here? Outside the matrix. Hello?
So 10 power 5.
Plus 10 power 5. See in textbook it's not printed. This 10 power 5 write it. Understood all of you? Yesterday absent is understood.
Yes, sir.
Next one is KQ minus F. Don't caught it. Just substitute the K value. Sorry, next not. What is the next step? I forget to tell. What is the next step? Hello? What is the next step? Hello? Global stiffness matrix. After that, what is the next step?
Equilibrium equation.
Yes, equilibrium equation.
Mhm.
Not equilibrium. Before that, what is that? Before that, what is that?
So downward force and
Uh,
displacement.
global force vector and global displacement. Therefore, F is equal to F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6. F1 is 0, F2 0, F3 0, F4 is how much? F4 is how much?
15 to 10 power 3.
Minus. Keep this in mind because downward direction. And F5 is 0, so 6 0. Similarly, global displacement vector Q is equal to Q1, Q2, Q3 up to Q6. Now do it. Up to equilibrium equation, all of you do it. Over kq is equal to f. Kq is equal to f over.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next step is, what is the next step? Hello. What is the next step? Huh? What is the next step? Hello. What is the next step?
Boundary condition.
Boundary.
Equation.
Boundary. Right on. Apply the boundary condition using elimination method. So which are the nodes are fixed? Which are the nodes are fixed here?
One
Which are the nodes are fixed?
and 3.
1 and 3. Therefore, write down. Apply the boundary condition using elimination method. Since node 1 and node 3 are fixed, node 1 and node 3 are fixed. What are the corresponding nodal displacement at node 1 and node 3? What are the corresponding nodal displacement node 1 and node 3? Hello? Can you hear me? Can you hear me all?
Yes, sir.
What are the corresponding nodal displacement at node 1 and node 3?
Sir.
What are the nodal displacement node 1 and node 3? And ಏನಪ್ಪ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದು ಇರಲಿ? ಹಲೋ.
Q1, Q1, Q2, and
Q5.
Q5, Q6.
Yes. Therefore, since node 1 and node 3 are fixed, Q1 equal to Q2 equal to Q5 equal to Q6 equal to how much?
0.
Write on that. Node 1 is node 3 are fixed. Q1 equal to Q2 is equal to Q3 equal to Q5 equal to Q6 equal to 0. Therefore, eliminate corresponding rows and columns. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So, what are the rows and column you have to eliminate? What are the rows and column you have to eliminate? Q1 means first row what? First column.
First column.
The Q2, second row, second column. Next Q5, Q6, 0. Therefore, fifth row, fifth column. Next Q6, sixth row, sixth column. Therefore, what are the terms are left that you have to substitute? Understood? Hello?
Sir.
So, therefore, this is the 1.84 plus 2.67 become 4.51, 1.22, 1.22, 0.816 into 10 raised to 5, Q3, Q4. And here corresponding forces are here 0, here minus 50 into 10 raised to 3. Clear? You have to solve it. Directly do in Calci. Let me know what is Q3, Q4. Rows and columns, you strike out using a pencil. That's better. Don't strike out in pen. Better you strike out using a pencil. And take the scale. Clearly write the straight lines. Vertical, horizontal line you showed properly. Okay. Hello. Don't do free hand. Use that pencil and scale. Understood? Let me know what are the Q3 and Q4. Others. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Are all of you doing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Q4 how much?
0.228.
That is Q3, I think. That is Q3, I think. Check out others. Others, do it fast. Manually, you have to do like this to calculate. Otherwise, in Calci directly you can do solve equation option.
Yes, sir. Q4 1.029.
Correct. Minus or plus?
Minus, sir.
Minus, sir.
Q3
0.28.
0.279.
0.28. Correct. Correct. All answers are correct. Others, you got the same?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. What is the next step?
Yes.
Diana, you got the answer or not?
Sir, got it.
Stress. So, sigma 1. Sigma 1 is E1 by L1 minus L minus M plus L plus M. And element 1 belongs to what are the nodal values? What are the nodal displacement values? Element 1. Hello. What are the nodal displacement value? Consists of element 1.
0.
Nodal displacements Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Therefore, you know LM, L1. So you have to refer this table. Here, L1 is 901.39. L is 0.832. M is 0.5. Connectivity table, you have to refer it. And Q1 is 0, Q2 0, Q3 you got 0.279, Q4 you got minus 1.03. Therefore, solve sigma 1. Understood? Is it clear?
Sir. Sir.
Do it.
Yes, sir.
Girish, are you doing?
Yes, sir.
You tell me the answer, Girish. What is sigma 1? You multiply these two matrices. You already shown here. Minus 0.832 into 0, 0. Minus 0.5 into 0, 0. 0.832 into 0.279. Become how much? Is it how much this one? 0.832 into 0.279. How much it becomes? Check out.
Point, 0.2321.
I written wrong. 0.3. How much? This one?
0.2321.
3. 3 to 1.
That's 2. That's 232.
0.232 na.
Yes, sir.
Plus or minus? Plus no?
Plus, sir.
232. And this is correct? 1.0. Oh, yeah, this is correct. 1.03 into 0.55 minus 0.5. Okay. Therefore, how much sigma 1?
Minus 75.
Minus 75.2.
43.
Yes, minus 75, 65.
75.
75. 75.
Not 65.
75, sir.
Okay. Here you got 65. And similarly calculate sigma 2 E by L2 minus L minus M LM. So again it is belongs to node 2, node 3. At node 2 the nodal displacement are Q2, Q3, node 3, Q4, Q5. Therefore, what is L2? L2 value how much?
750.
750, ah? Okay, correct. L is 1, M is 0. I think L is minus 1, no? L is minus 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, minus of minus become plus 1 is 0, minus 1, 0. And Q2 is 0. Q3 we got as 0.279 is minus 1.03. Therefore, you solve this Q2, how much? What?
The 274.66.
Correct. Plus no.
Yes, sir. Plus.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, tension. Sigma 1 is compression, sigma 2 is tension. Okay. What is the last step? Last step is what? All of you got 274.
Yes, sir.
Last step is
Yes,
what?
sir.
Reactions.
Reactions.
Reaction.
See, what are the types of support here? Type of support is what? Fixed or roller.
Fixed, sir. Sir.
Fixed, sir.
Therefore, here R1 is acting like this. R1 and R2 will be there. Horizontal, vertical and horizontal reactions. Whereas here at node 2, R3, R4, it is 0 because it's not fixed. Whereas in node 3, R5, R6, that also there. Only R3, R4 is 0. But these four are not equal to 0. Please write this figure also, all of you. What is the formula to calculate R? What is the formula to calculate R? AQ minus F. So, therefore, substitute KQF matrix value, then solve one by one. First, you multiply these two matrix, first row, first column, you do it. All of you take the screenshot of this. One minute. All of you take the screenshot of this. Wait. So R1 you will get 74,700 Newton. R2 is 50,000 Newton. R3, R4 are 0. R5, R6 are R5 is minus 74,000. R6 also you got 0. This is the answer. If you simplify this, you'll get this answer. So you can check out. Okay.
Sir. Okay, sir.
So if you write the summary of answer like this, means what is Q1, you got Q2, Q3, what are the unknowns they ask you no question. That if you write the final answers in the summary like this, that makes very easy for us to evaluate. So in not only my subject, in this subject, in every subject, you do like that. That's a better way, actually, numerical subject. So that is a better presentation piece. So you evaluator also it make very easy. So if you refer the answer directly, you can hear. So maybe chances if you make the mistake inside also, so no problem. But the answer is correct, you will get the marks. That is the chance are there. So try to do it like that. So I think all of you know how to calculate R1, R2, R3 simplification. I think every steps are here. You can do it like that. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Taken the screenshot, all of you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Leave some space to write that in the notes. Leave some